Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, my name is Muhammad Ashraf Nabi Azlan, and I'm going to present about Internet of Things needs to be in complete ecosystem to make particular application reliable and efficient in addition. So I choose home security system, but before that, I'm going to introduce my teammates and my group. Yeah, my group only have two teams, so two people, including me and my friends. I already introduced myself that my name is Muhammad Ashraf Nabi Azlan, and my partner is Nur Erisha Balkis binti Abdullah. Alright, home security system. There is two suitable sensor that that were used for home security system, which is a motion detector. A motion detector is an electrical device that utilizes a sensor to detect a nearby motion. Such as device is often integrated as a component of a system that automatically perform a task or alert a user of motion in an area. It's like you put the sensor at your house and then there is a thief want to get inside your house, the sensor will detect and make an alert. Right? Right, the second is door sensor. Door sensor, sometimes known as a photoelectric or infrared beam, electric safety door edge, door detector, electric proximity edge, or electric doorman, is an elevator device that detects a passenger or an object on the doorway, which is prevent the door from closing, usually installed for accessibility. So it's like you go to the mall and you see the sliding door. When you get close to the door will open instantly. Automatically it will open. That is the door sensor, which means the sensor sense there's people getting close, which means it need to open the door. Alright. The next is two example of suitable actuator for home security, which is number one, a linear actuator. A linear actuator is an actuator that create a motion in a straight line, in a contrast that the circular motion of a conventional electric motor. So it's like the sliding door, it will open the door in a straight line. The sliding door opens straight. So when they using the linear actuator, that this linear actuator will pull the door towards his way, so in the straight line. Okay. The next is the behind the scene. The next is the door actuator, which is the behind the scene mechanism that locks and unlock your vehicle door with the push of a button, is the power door lock actuator mounted inside the door. Include an electric motor, gear, and linkage or cable that extend or retract to operate the lock. So which means no matter what door lock you were using, if you have an actuator, you will lock the door automatically when you using remotes or controller, something related to it. Alright. Next is two commonly used IoT platform. And the first one, it will be Arduino. The Arduino IoT Cloud is designed to help people create great things with ease. It is as simple as connecting a device, creating variable and dashboard to monitor it. Whenever we create a thing, a sketch is automatically generated and update with all change we make in the cloud. So it's like you would do using a password door lock. So you don't want people to see how you change the password, so you just use your IoT cloud inside your devices. You change the passcode inside your IoT cloud, then the passcode at the door lock would change too. Right, the next is Node-RED. Through this application, a set of operations is understood with which is the device's communication on the internet via TTN. This can be as simple as small web application or visual flow using Node-RED to customize code on a server as described in. Before communication with devices, it is necessary to add the application TTN and register the device. Alright, the next is IoT middleware. Alright, IoT middleware. The first is for IoT middleware is general middleware. General middleware is the thing that you download inside your phone to stay connected between you and your devices, like remote control to your safety door lock, which mean just using your phone you can open your safety door lock. So you would need, when you have a door lock and your phone but you cannot connect those, so you need an application that related to the door lock. When you're using it, you can just from just by your phone you can open the door lock just using by your phone. So the second one is data connection. When you wanted to open your door safety lock, you must use the general middleware, but to use a general middleware you need a data connection, which is connect your phone to a middleware or application that you download so the application can be active and you can use the application. And I will pass the next point to my partner, Arisha Balkis. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Arisha Balkis Mintabdullah. I am from Class 1A. I will be presenting my 4 main points for the assignment. Okay, for the first point is function of middleware. To simply put, both home security system consumers and the service providers need middleware. Middleware that is packaged as a home security system platform can be customized with marginal investment and it amortizes the cost of development of a system platform across multiple service providers. The IoT middleware allows a bunch of isolated systems or functionalities to interact. It tackles the intricacies of distributed applications, heterogeneity of hardware, operating system and protocols, and the communication between different layers of the IoT architecture. IoT middleware helps in creating a dependable and interactive home security system. The second point is 2 types of programming language. First, we have JavaScript. With JavaScript, the homeowner can run any code whenever a visitor comes to hack the system. This can improve the functionality of the security system. On the other hand, it could produce a malicious functionality unbeknownst to the visitor. If a hacker takes control of the security, they could program it to run malicious code. The second is C. Lint is the original code analyzer for C. It was released in 1978, and since then, a number of variants have been created. Lint can find bugs, programming errors, and other types of flaws. It would therefore benefit C programmers to use a program like Lint. If they don't scan their code for vulnerabilities, hackers will be able to hack the system. The third point is 4 types of embedded boards. Okay, first of all, I would like to apologize. I was only able to find one type, so the only type that was Raspberry Pi. A Raspberry module is projected the system uses, and a module of camera that fits in the CSI of Raspberry Pi chip. On the other hand, USB camera accomplish can be used the same task. The concept of the automation and today's life rolls around the things that are automated for the next generation. In this system sense, the temperature and humidity controlling light switches allow users to lock and unlock a door from a remote location. The last and final point is two types of wireless connection. First is SimpliSafe. Your system will be protected at your home in case of a power outage that lasts for days. If an intruder smashes your control panel, the company alerts the police. All signals within your system and to the monitoring station are encrypted for an added layer of protection. The equipment receives automatic updates through the air so that you know the system is always working its best for you. The last type is ADT. They can monitor equipment made by many of the leading brands. They support a full spectrum of wireless security features, including video monitoring, home automation, sensors to prevent an environmental disaster, and medical alerts. The ADT wearable panic button allows immediate access to emergency dispatches. The panic button is waterproof and sends a GPS signal with the alert to ensure that dispatch knows where the alert was triggered. You can wear a pendant as a necklace or a bracelet, or you can also clip it to your clothes. Unlike medical alerts by other security companies, the ADT wearable panic button works everywhere. AT&T convert, even when you're far away from home. That's all from me. That is all of my points. So that's it. Thank you.